Hey everybody, it's Rob Colley with eXp Realty. We are actually at Mariner Lakes Townhouses number 27. It's going on the market. I'm gonna give you a quick preview of the property and the outside area. Right across from the unit is one of the pools in the complex. You know, there's multiple pools. There's a clubhouse. But we're gonna spin around and look. Unit 27. Let's go in and check out the inside. All right, when you first come in, nice VCT flooring, stairwell upstairs. Come in to the right, all bath, half bath. This is going to be your systems. Whoop, nope, just storage, I'm sorry. Washer and dryer that conveys at closing, stackable. Come down, fireplace with shiplap. This home is being offered furnished. We'll go check out this back porch in just a second. Little eating area. Bar with 4 chairs, granite, updated appliances. Let's go check out the outside. All right, we're on the back porch now. It's screened enclosed. Little love seat, little chair out here. These doors were updated recently. Detached storage. You know, real peaceful. Let's go upstairs. Okay, we're upstairs. Coming off the stairwell, you can look down into the living room. Bedrooms are on the right. Linen closet with a barn door. We're gonna look at the guest room first. Nice bunk beds, plenty of storage. It's actually 2 fulls and a little sofa. And they converted the walk-in closet into a bonus room / bedroom. Full bath. Everything's been updated. Enclosure. Full-size bathtub. It's a lot of room. Let's go check out the master. All right, this is the main bedroom upstairs. King-size bed. Nice screen TV. Well, it's not flat, it's curved, so, but it's still technically a flat screen. And the main bathroom up here just has a shower. Everything's been updated. Enclosure. It's real clean. The highlight on this one is actually it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but they have converted the extra space in the other bedroom for a sleeping area.